Learn one Chinese character, unlock 10 useful words, and grow your Chinese world. Today, let's continue our Forms of Address series. We're learning the character R. What does this character mean at its core? The character represents a child or young person, especially a son or a younger generation. It also carries the deeper idea of continuation of life and family lineage. How did this character evolve over time? In its earliest oracle bone form, was drawn as a human figure with a large head and a small body. The head was not fully closed, which may have been used to highlight the soft spot on the top of a baby's head, known as the fontanelle. As the character evolved, it gradually took on a more fixed form. This is the traditional form of Later, when simplified Chinese was introduced, the upper part of the character was removed, giving us the modern simplified form that we use today. How is this character structured? The character R is a single component character. It is made up of two strokes, a vertical turning stroke and a curved hook stroke. How do we write the character R? First, write a vertical stroke that turns slightly at the bottom. This forms the main structure of the character. Then, write a curved hook starting from the top right, slanting down and finishing with a gentle hook. Keep the shape open and balanced, like a standing figure. And now you've learned how to write R. Let's practice reading it. It is pronounced in the second tone. Repeat after me. R, R, R. Let's unlock 10 useful words from this character. 儿童 means children. 婴儿 means infant, refers to a baby. 幼儿 means toddler or young child, often used to refer to preschool children. 儿科 means pediatrics, used in medical contexts. 儿歌 means nursery rhymes or children's songs, songs written specifically for children. In these words, R refers directly to children or young people. 儿子 means son. 女儿 means daughter. 儿媳 means daughter-in-law. 孤儿 means orphan. Here, emphasizes a social identity rather than age. 宠儿 means favorite, darling. Literally, spoiled child. It is used to describe someone or something that is very popular and favored. There's something special about this character. The character can also function as a suffix in spoken Chinese. It is commonly used in northern Chinese dialects, especially in Beijing Mandarin. For example, 这儿 means here. 那儿 means there. Here, does not carry a specific meaning of its own. It is simply used as a habitual suffix sound in speech, often adding a more natural and colloquial tone. Let's look at a fun story behind this character. In Chinese, word order is very important, and sometimes it changes everything. Take a look at 女儿 and 儿女. They are made up of the exact same characters, 女 and 儿, but they mean different things. 女儿 means daughter, but 儿女 means children, especially sons and daughters together. Same characters, different order, then different meaning. That's one of the fascinating things about Chinese. In classical poetry and literature, 儿女 is often associated with deep human emotions and close personal bonds. There is a famous idiom, 儿女情长. It refers to tender affection and emotional attachment, especially romantic love. In some contexts, it can also imply being overly sentimental or emotionally entangled. Did you learn this character today? More interesting character lessons are on the way. Follow us and learn one Chinese character a day to build your Chinese world.